years. Amen? And as you've seen and as you heard from our partners from Japan and lalo na from Nature's Way, yung partnership natin hindi lang pang Pilipinas. Guys, yung partnership natin hindi lang pang Brunei. Listen to this. Nature's Way gave us a go signal where we also have exclusivity sa buong Middle East. Like Saudi Arabia, like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh, Oman, Yemen. Not only that, Nature's Way also gave us a signal that we can also expand sa buong Europa. Countries like Italy, Germany, London, Austria. Not only that, because we were able to impress Nature's Way with our sales here in the Philippines, they also gave us a go signal to expand in Hawaii, in Guam, in Saipan, and in the United States of America. A lot of people, a lot of observant, a lot of keen, intelligent people are asking me, Doc, ano effect? Ano effect pag kayo nag-expand sa Hong Kong, sa Taiwan, sa Malaysia, sa Indonesia, sa Hawaii, sa Guam, sa Japan, US, buong Europe, buong Middle East? Simple lang. Guys, imagine this. For every country na nakita nyo kanina, na bubuksan ng InGlobal for the next few months, for the next few years, it can create around 500 millionaires. In short, with our strong belief and aggressive plans for our expansion program, guys, naghihintay ang 10,000 milyonaryo dito sa InGlobal. If you now heard, if you now see the vision of the company, ang tanong, lilingon ka pa ba sa iba? Titingin ka pa ba sa iba? Guys, yung pangarap nyo lalo nung hawakan. Why? For every country na bubuksan, nandun